In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color grade in Luminar Neo. We'll keep things simple and effective, starting with getting your photo into the editor, giving it a quick stylistic foundation, and then dialing in the overall color so it feels cohesive and polished. First, open Luminar Neo. Once it loads, go straight to the Edit workspace. You can click the Edit button or tap the E key on your keyboard as a shortcut. Choose the photo you want to work on from your catalog. Double-clicking it will bring it into the editor so you can see it large and ready for adjustments. Having the image open in Edit ensures every tool you need is right at your fingertips. Next, let's add a quick style using the Mood tool. Mood applies LUTs, also known as lookup tables, that remap color and tone to give your photo an instant film-like character. Think of this as setting the vibe before you fine-tune anything. Open Mood, browse the available presets, and pick one that aligns with the feeling you're after, whether that's warm and nostalgic or cool and modern. After choosing a LUT, adjust the amount slider. Start low, then slowly raise it until the look complements the image rather than overpowering it. Even a subtle amount can transform a flat photo into something with direction and intent, and you can always come back and refine. With that base look in place, move to color harmony to shape the overall color. Begin with warmth. Sliding to the right warms the image with golden tones. Sliding to the left cools things down for a cleaner, more neutral feel. Use warmth to correct a cast or to reinforce the mood you set with the LUT. Make small moves and watch crucial areas like skin, highlights, and shadows so the balance feels natural. Then adjust brilliance to strengthen color presence across the photo. A little brilliance can add depth and vibrancy, helping colors stand out without looking harsh. Increase it gradually and stop when the image looks lively but still believable. At this point, you've built a solid grade, a stylistic foundation from Mood, refined by warmth and brilliance in color harmony. If something feels too strong, nudge the sliders back. If it feels too subtle, bump them up. Aim for nuance. The best grades often feel invisible. When you're happy, you're done. Your image now carries a cohesive color grade that enhances the story you want to tell.